Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Maths Chapter 8 Multiplication and Division. Parts of multiplication. See here 15 is multiplicand. We are multiplying with 2, that is called multiplier. Product is 15 into 2, how much? 30. That is called product. Product means answer. What we are getting from the multiplicand and the multiplier. Facts about multiplication and division. See here, multiplication. 15 into 4 is equal 60. Means 15 is multiplicand, 4 is multiplier. Product means when we multiply with 15 into 4, we'll get product. The product is 60. The next division. 26. What divide with 2? 2. 2 1 ja 2. Down. We'll get 2. 2 3 ja 6. Minus. Okay. That we'll get 0. The product is 0. That is called, we'll in this 26 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 13 is quotient, and 0 is remainder. Facts and properties of multiplication. Multiplication. First fact. Multiplication is repeated addition. When we write 16 into 3, 16 plus 16 plus 16. We'll write 3 times. Repeated addition. Repeated addition means here into 3 is there. We'll write 16 as 3 times. Addition. In between we'll write plus. Okay. These 3, 16 plus 16 plus 16 is equal 48. Product is 48. Same as 40 into 5. Write 40 as 4 times. Here repeated addition. So we have to write in between plus. 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. Product is 200. Next fact. When 2 or more numbers are multiplied, order of multiplication does not change the product. When we multiply with A into B into C, then A into B into C is equal to B into C into A. We can write like this also. Or C into B into A. We can write like this. Any numbers you can take. So the product will not change. Next one. Any number multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Example, 76 into 0. How much? It will be always 0. Product is 0. 354 into 0. The product is 0. Like that, 1000 into 0. Always it will be 0. Next, fourth one. Any number multiplied by 1. The product is the number itself. Whatever the product you are multiplying with 1, the product will be same. The same number as product. Okay. 7, for example, 17 into 1 is equal 17. Product is 17. 563 into 1 is equal. The product is 563. For example, take 1 into 1, 1. 1 2 ja 2. 1 3 ja 3. Like that. Next one. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000. How we can multiply? When we multiply a number by 10, the product is the number followed by 1 0. When we multiply with 10, see here, for example, 27 into 10. Write as number followed by 1 0. Next one, see next example, 36 into 100. Write 36 followed by 2 zeros. Next example, 72 into 1000. Write 72 followed by 3 zeros. Okay. Sixth one, product is always larger than the multiplicand and multiplier. See, for example, 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10. So here is multiplier and the multiplication is there. Okay, the product always should be larger than multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, 10 is the product. Next, seventh one, multiplication statement can be written as division statements in two ways. We can write in two ways. See here, 22 into 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. When we multiply, the product is 66. See, in division, 22. When we take 22, the product is 66. Divide by 3 or 66 by 3. We can write like this also. When we take 3 is equal 66 is the product divided by 22 or 66 by 22. This is the division process. Okay, this is the multiplication process. Let us do it. Find the product of 0. When we multiply with 0, the product is 0. 85 into 0, how much? 0. 853 into 10, how much? Followed by 1 0. Say number followed by 1 0. 8530. Find the product of. Example, 73 into 5. 73. It is 3 is in ones place and 7 is in tens place. 5 is in ones place. Multiply with 5 into 3. 5 3 is 15. Carry over 1. 7 5 is 35. 35 here plus 1. Carry is there. Carry over is there. So add 1. 36. Product is 365. Read, think and solve. The cost of one watch is 725 rupees. Find the cost of 15 watches. Cost of one watch is 725 rupees. Okay, like that 15 watches. How much? 725 into 15. See here. We have to multiply 725 into 15. This is 100 place. Okay, ones, tens, 100. 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 7 is in 100 place. Okay, now first ones place, 5 into 5, 25. 2 carry over. 2 5 ja 10. 10 plus 2, how much? 12. 1 carry over. 7 5 ja 35. 35 plus 1, how much? 36. Write as 3625. Okay, now we have to multiply with tens with ones. Okay, 1 5 ja 5. Write in tens place. We are taking as tens. Okay, write it in tens place. 5 1 ja 5. 1 2 ja 2. 1 7 ja 7. You have to add it. Okay, 5 as it is. 5 plus 2, how much? 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, total product is for cost of 15 watches or 10,875 rupees. Multiplication by 3 and 4 digit numbers. If the cost of one bag of cement is 2,375 rupees, find the cost of 125 bags. Cost of one bag of cement how much? 2,375 rupees. Cost of 125 bags. Okay. First, multiply 2,375 into 125 bags. Okay. See here. Okay. This is in thousands place. 5 5 ja 25. 5 write down. 2 carry over. 7 5 ja 35. 2 is there. 36, 37. Add 3 up. Write 7 as down. 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 3. 18. 1 carry over. 5 2 ja 10. Plus 1. 11. Write it here. Okay. These are the steps that we should follow for any sum. Write the answer in the first row. 2 5 ja 10. 2 7 ja 14. 14 plus 1 how much? 1 carry over here is there now? 15. Write 1 carry over. 5 down. 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus 1 7. Write down. 2 2 ja 4. Write the answer in second row. Next one. This is in 100 place. We have to write in answer. We have to start from the 100th place. Okay. 1 5 ja 5. 1 7 ja 7. 1 3 ja 3. 1 2 ja 2. Write the answer in the third. Now we have to add these 3 rows. 5 as it is, 7 as it is, 8 plus 5 plus 5, 18. Okay, carry over 1. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15, 1 carry over. 6 write down. 4 plus 1 plus 3, 9. 2 as it is. Cost of 125 bags of cement is 2,96,875 rupees. Okay, children. Multiplication by using distributive property. Multiply, for example, multiply 125 by 15 using distributive property. See here formula. A into brackets B plus C bracket close equal to A into B plus A into C downward same as it is. This is distributive property formula. See here 125 into 15. We have to distribute this. Okay. See here I have written down A 125 into 15. We can write 10 plus 5. So 10 is B plus 5 is C. See here 12 125 into 10. A into B. Okay. Plus 125 into 5. A into C. See here A into B plus A into C. See here A plus B, A into B plus A into C. 125 into 10 how much? 1250 plus 125 into 5 625. We have to add these two. So we'll get the product 1875 by using distributive property. Multiplication by breaking the multiplier into factors. For example, 132 into 400. We have to break it. 400 we have to break it. 132 into 4 into 100. How much? 400 only na? So we have to write 4 into 100. This is breaking the multiplier. We are breaking it. Okay. 132 into 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. 1 carry over. 4 1 ja 4. 1 plus 1 5. Now we have to multiply with 100. Okay. 0 into 8 how much? Always it will be 0. 0 into 2 0. 0 into 5 always 0. Step 2 also like that. 0 into 8 0. 0 into 2 0. 0 into 5 0. This is the second row. And the third row, 1 8 ja 8, 1 2 ja 2, 1 5 ja 5. Now we have to add these 3 rows. 0 as it is. Next 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 2 how much? 2. 5 as it is. Total 52,800. Facts and properties of division. See here, for example, 2. It is divisor. 12 dividend. 6 quotient. Means how we will get 2. 2 6 are 12 minus 0. We'll get 12 minus 12 how much? 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 6. Next, 1. Division is repeated subtraction. 18 is divided by 2. In first step, 8 minus 2. Next, we'll get 16. 16 minus 2. What we'll get? We'll get 14. 14 minus 2. We'll get 12. 12 minus 2. 10. 10 minus 2. 8. 8 minus 2. 6. 6 minus 2. 4. 4 minus 2. 2. 2 minus 2. 0. 9 steps. So the quotient is 9. 18 divided by 2 is equal how much? The product is 9. 18 by 2. 2 9 ja 18. 20 divided by 5 is not equal to 5 divided by 20. Order is important. Third one. Any number divided by 1. The quotient is the number itself. 10 divided by 1. The remainder is 10. 10 or we can write like this also. 10 divided by 1. Remainder is 10. Fourth one. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, 16 by 16 equal to 1. When we cut 16 by 16, how much? 1. Fifth one. 0 divided by any number, the quotient is 0. 0 divided by 5 is always 0. Okay. Sixth one. We cannot divide a number by 0. For example, 5 divided by 0, we can find any number, we'll get always 0. Seventh one. Quotient is always smaller than the dividend. See here. 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 6. So we'll get same as this number. So we have to minus it. 2 6 minus 6 0. 2 minus 2 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 13. Okay. Quotient is smaller than the dividend. Dividend means 13 is every smaller than 26. Eighth one. From a division fact, we get a multiplication fact. See here. For example, 16 divided by 8. 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja, 16. Remainder is 2. Then 8 into 2. Product is 16. 8 2 ja 16. 16 is product. Now see. 16 divided by 2. 8 remains. 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 16. So 8 right. So the product is 8. Let us learn about division. In this, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. How to check? We have to find. Okay. Divide 785 by 3. See here. 3 divisor. Okay. 785 dividend. 3 2 ja 6. 7 minus 6 how much? 1. 8 write down. Okay. 3 6 ja 18. Minus 18 minus 18 how much? 0. Write 5 as it is. 3 1 ja 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. Remainder 2. Quotient 261. Let us check. Divisor dividend means see here. Dividend is called divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have to get dividend. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let me check. 3 into divisor means see here 3. Quotient means 261. Write it here. Plus remainder 2. You have to write here. See here. 261 into 3. We have to multiply with these two. Okay. 3 1 ja 3. 6 3 ja 18. 1 carry over 8 write down. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7. We have to what we'll get? 261 into 3 how much? 783. We have to add 2 plus 2. 3 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 8 as it is, 7 as it is. Product is 785. So you see here, dividend is 785. This is the checking process. Find the quotient Q and the remainder R without working it out. So, see here, children, I took one example. A1, 73 divided by 10. Write 10. 73 divided by 10. 10 is divisor. 73 is dividend. 10 7 ja 70. Here 73 minus 70 how much? 3. This is called remainder. 7 is quotient. Okay. We have to find only quotient and remainder. Here. Find the quotient Q and the remainder R of the following. So, for example, 4726 divided by 17. 17 2 ja 34. 47 minus 34 how much? 13. Okay. 2 take as it is. Now 17 7 ja 119. Okay children. 132 minus 119 how much? 13. 6 as it is. 17 8 ja 136. Yeah, 136 minus 136 how much? Reminder 0. Okay. 278 quotient 0 reminder. To the remaining sum children. Read, think and solve. 132 books can be arranged in one shelf. How many shelves are required to arrange 35,772 books? Okay children, in one shelf 132 books we are arranging. We require 35,772 books. Okay, how many shelves we need? Let us see. 132 divided by 35,772. Okay, children. 132 into 2. How much? 132 into 2 how much? 264. 357 minus 264 how much? 93 difference. Okay. 7 as it is you have to take. 132 into 7. 924. 937 minus 924. We'll get 13. We have to take 2 as it is. 132 into 1. How much? 132. 132 minus 132 how much? Reminder 0. Checking. We have to check. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus reminder. See here, divisor means 132 into quotient 271. Reminder how much? 0. 132 into 271. We have to multiply it. We'll get 35,772. Same as dividend. Simplify. See here, for example, 375 into 4 divided by 12. First, we have to multiply 375 into 4. How much? 1500 divided by 12. Okay. Now see how it is working. We have to simplify it. Okay. See here. 12 divisor. 1500 dividend. See. 12 1 ja 12. Remaining 15 minus 12 how much? 3. 0 as it is. Okay. 12 2 ja 24. 30 minus 24 how much? 6. 0 as it is. 12 5 ja 60. 60 minus 60 how much? 0. So the quotient is 125. Do the remaining sums. Okay children, see you in the next class.